In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to secure your Brave browser with a simple extension that enables password protection. This valuable tool, known as Browser Lock, will ensure that your browser stays secure and that your private data remains safe from prying eyes. Let's dive right in and walk through the process of setting it up, step by step. To begin, open the Brave browser on your computer. Brave is known for its speed and privacy features, but adding an additional layer of security with a password will give you even more peace of mind. To achieve this, you'll need to access the Chrome Web Store. Once there, type Browser Lock, lock your browser into the search bar. It's crucial to ensure you select the correct extension, as there could be similarly named apps. Browser Lock is designed specifically for securing your browsing experience, so make sure it's the right one before proceeding. Once you've located the extension, click the Add to Brave button. This action will prompt a confirmation dialog box asking you to add the extension. Go ahead and click Add Extension to proceed with the installation. This process will initiate a download and a brief installation, which should only take a few moments. Once the installation completes, you'll notice a new icon appear at the top right corner of your browser. This is the Browser Lock icon. Click on the Browser Lock icon to start setting up your password. This step is essential as it secures your browser, making it accessible only to those who know the password. Choose a strong, memorable password. A good guideline is to make it at least 8 characters long, including a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special symbols. Avoid using easily guessed details like birthdays or common words. This password is your key to accessing the browser, so take your time to think of a strong one and jot it down somewhere safe if necessary. With your password set, it's time to test if the setup was successful. Close your Brave browser completely and then reopen it. At this point, you should be greeted with a password prompt instead of your usual browsing experience. Enter the password you just created to unlock the browser. This step confirms that your browser is now locked and will require your password each time you want to access it, adding a vital layer of security to your online activities. That's it. You've successfully added a layer of protection to your Brave browser, making sure your browsing history, saved passwords, and other private information stay protected. Remember, if you ever need to change your password, you can easily do so through the Browser Lock settings available via the extension icon. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe and secure online.